All right, let's make an AI agent. I have no idea what I'm doing here. This this is my first time ever. All right, am I on? Am I in frame here? What am I doing? Am I in frame? Yep. You see my steering wheel right here? Okay, let's do it. We're burning time. I was thinking make an AI agent. I guess, well, because I was thinking about Claude too, but I think I'm going to make another video on that, installing that. But the thing is, it's how much access do you give it to, you know? Anyway, all right, let's make an agent for doing something. I don't know yet, but I don't know what I'm doing, so let's start with research. Let's see, how to, oh, there you go. I already, business plan to make an AI agent. Creating a system with an LLM brain, specialized prompt, memory, and tools. Okay. It's a tab, blah, blah. Let's see what we got. Okay, what specific tasks do I want? Where's my coffee at? Ooh, I need a robot that'll make me coffee. That's how it starts. Laundry and coffee. All right. Task. We're gonna have it go through my code and critique it. Framework like LangChain or Crew AI. Giving the agent tools and testing its for. Okay, so what do I do? Define blah blah. I already got that. What's our brain gonna be? To power agents such as GPT. I need one that's free, so I don't want to. I don't want to have to pay for anything. Let's see. Or we could just take this scorched earth and just make our own LLM. There we go. Start off with neural networks. uh, that would be fun though. Okay. Let's see. Free. Is it all free? Free LLM. Can't even type. Commit blah 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 blah. Free tiers. Sonnet DeepSeek. Popular local private options. Ooh, that's what we want. We want popular local private options. Llama and anything LLM. Free web playgrounds like DeepSeek. Sounds like some chess engine or something. Free unrestricted use. There we go. That's all I need to know right there. Okay, so DeepSeek. Uh-oh. That's not a good sign. Is this the one that was in China? Yeah, it is, huh? Chinese artificial intelligence research coming out for development. DeepSeek. Huh. Does that mean it communicates back to China? Hmm. Oh. Made a llama. open up our JavaScript blocker. Blah blah, cable openly available element. Okay, so this does not look good. Did this, what did they do? Facebook CDN. I'm blocking Facebook CDN. See, that's probably what it is. I hate opening up all that. Let's see if that's what it is. Yes. Really? Hate having to go to Facebook. Why are they still calling it Facebook anyway? This says Meta. Why don't they change all that? Oh, I gotta. All right. I don't want to do that. Oh, llama. So you got Meta llama. Oh, that's what that was. Meta. I missed that part of it. So open source models directly on your hardware. Anything LLM. That's a good thing. All right, there we go. Download it. Windows. Am I being blocked? Yes, I am. Because web developers are using JavaScript for buttons. You know, you don't have to have JavaScript to do a click on a button. In the olden days, we did HTML. All right, what's going on? Surely it's not this right now. Did it actually download and I just missed it? Surely not. Nope, there's nothing on there. Yes, we do. What is this? Why would they? That's weird. Is there something specific that they're doing that's not available on enterprise or server? Probably because later on they want some kind of licensing or something. Oh, well, no wonder. All they got's. Oh, well, it says 10 plus, so I got home, Windows 11. All right, let's do it. All right, well, at least we're downloading now. That's kind of weird. Their button on the home page is not working. But maybe it doesn't know which of these options to use, which is kind of weird. You would think that they would test that. Or maybe they did and it worked and that was that. Okay, yes, I want to run the file. Install. Install, please. Blah, blah, blah. Yes, that's fine. Go. Woohoo. I need more coffee. All right. Oh, still being installed. Troubleshooting cannot be closed when trying. What? Failed to install extract GPU support for that. I'm on a cheap laptop. What do I got? I got a 7000 series Ryzen 3 with AMD Radeon. Man, this is taking a while, isn't it? It is taking a while. So let's go read some more. So after that, so we got our brain, which is loading. Then I need a framework. It's called blah blogs for creating multi-agent role-based systems. Autonomous task management. That's probably what we're going to need. We want to do our own. These here, it looks like it's all batteries included. Yeah. Yeah. So if you want a simple tool and just play with it, this is probably what you want to do. And if you're into Python, here you go right here. Uses an API, blah blah. Use a while loop to execute tool. Okay, well that's not bad. On the N8N. Wonder where they came up with that idea. N8N. Huh. All right, did we do it? Nope. All right, I gotta pour me some coffee. For your viewing pleasure, I'll show you the graph. Oh. Uh-oh. I'm gonna end up spilling my coffee. I gotta put the lid on. Am I in frame? Where am I at? Am I in frame? Kind of, huh? It's because can't really see. I gotta use my bifocal. Whoa. You ever try to find a place where you have to click? Just so but you don't want to click something at by accident? Or that drives me crazy too when I hover over something and it throws up that little info window. All right, I need my thermos. Ow. Grief. All right. Am I in frame? Yeah. Looking good. All right, where are we? Dang, we ain't even halfway yet. This is, let's see, on a laptop out in the country using a hotspot with, oh wow, I got all bars. All my bars, but it's not 5G. Check my messages. Or actually my, what do you call those notifications? Yeah, I signed up with Angie Services. So I could go do like handyman jobs, stuff like that. But man, all the jobs, hardly any are in the town I'm in. Just one right here. That's for Thursday. The other ones, most of them are a long way off, like an hour drive, and you might make like 40 bucks off it. So that's one thing if you're thinking about doing that. A lot of jobs are kind of far off. But you're supposed to be get paid cash by the client. Anyway, what am I doing? Oh. Is this the part where I'm supposed to edit out the part where you're watching it install? At least you know how long it's going to take now. Unless you're on some kind of fiber line or something. Please don't spill this. Yeah, I'm waiting on getting calls for interviews. I'm supposed to get an interview for a CNC trainee position, which I went over there one time a couple months ago, but it was for second shift, and I was looking for first shift, so I turned it down. But they opened up um, another position, the same position. They're really busy. But now I'm open to second shift, so I'm gonna go do that. Hopefully I get that because that'd do me good for the next 10, 12 years till I retire. Machining's always in demand. So, and then there's what was it? Some kind of bus factory where they make buses, school buses and all that. I think I pretty much got that. That's their temp service. I took the drug test on Friday, so today I should hear something. But I'd rather have that other one. But you turn down, maybe a day or two of work. I don't want to do that either. Waiting on the other one. And then I got an interview. Actually, it's an info interview with what is it? Uptime Crew, I think it is. They train you and for like data center jobs and send you out to them. That's interesting. I'd like to work in a data center. Running cables, setting up the servers. That would be cool. And there's not going to be any shortage of data centers, especially with AI. So, but oh wow. FFmpeg 8. I thought I already had that on there. I thought VLC used that. Meeting assistant model. This will take approximately 2 gigs. No, I do not. Meeting assistant. No, I don't need meeting assistant. No. Blah blah. It's been starting. Blah blah. Okie doke. There we go. Now what? See what pops up. Or something. Let Windows and apps access your. To use signals like GPS or Wi-Fi, which can be used to determine your price of the blah blah blah. Wow, it didn't even. Wow, didn't even wait for me to answer the questions. Wait, that's because you didn't give me any time to do anything. Wow. Good grief. Okay. So this is the app here. Superpowers for your OS. All right, so this thing, what do we got here? It's probably doing something. It's kind of weird because I feel like it's doing something already. Being sneaky. It's probably recording me. And then it's going to be mad because I called it sneaky. Okay, am I in frame? Yay. I am in frame. All right, so we got the LLM. Now what? I don't know how to use it. Um, what else was there anyway? Free LLM. Okay, we got that. Get rid of that. Download that. We've got that. And blah blah. Look for my blah 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 blah. Okay, was there any like documentation for later? Troubleshooting cannot be closed when trying to install. Trying to install? Why would you close it when you're trying to install it? All right. Blah blah. Okay, so a lot of the guides are right over here then. All right, so let's go here. What is this thing doing now? Anything? I knew it was doing something. So it's probably some kind of tutorial or something. Um, brain. So we've got that one. Prompting, defines favorite tools, actions, API search. So what are these? Setting up a Python environment. vector database like Pinecone and a task manager. Create prioritization test based on initial goal. Maybe AG. So what does that mean? It uses LangChain? Prerequisite. So it looks like I don't think I want this because I'm wanting to put this together myself. So if baby AGI already has everything, obtain API keys for OpenAI, Pinecone. All right. Back arrow. Oh, I don't need it. Let's go look what this is. So it looks like in Python you can just do this. I don't know, I feel like this is just like asking an LLM, Copilot or something, what that is. I don't think it's a good example. So I think I'm already confused. Look that up. I don't feel like there's, well, at least in this right here, that the steps are very good here. Because I did do this. But I'm trying to avoid the framework. So I don't think this is the one to do here. Put it in AI mode. Okay, I don't want those. How about this? What was it I had? Anything LLM, right? Anything LLM. Most favorite tools or skills in the workplace. So does that mean anything LLM is an AI agent? An AI agent. In anything LLM, an AI agent. Does that mean it's already in anything LLM? I thought anything LLM was already an LLM. See, this is already confusing. This went out apparently to the LLM docs. This is the part that sucks when you're trying to learn something new. Because you got to try to trample around in all the mud. The Quinn 3 Vision 2B Instro. What is that? Model based on your hardware for the best experience. Okay, that's fine. Now what? What do I do now? Go here. That's good. We'll download in the background. You can check it from. Okay. Okie doke. Data handling. Blah, blah, blah. Anything LLM. Okay, we have that. Your model and chats are only accessible on this device. That's good. Vector database. We're using Lance DB. Cool. So remember when we was looking at the lang chain thing, it was talking about, the Python thing, and then there was a different database, vector database it was using. So apparently there is many of those. Oh well. Um, let's see, Google search. Okay, there we go. Now lives across your desktop. Okay. My AI assistant is now instantly accessible from anywhere. No switching when I'm not bringing focus. Now see that's confusing too, because I guess where I'm confused at is, so I thought you were supposed to take all these pieces, put them together, and then you would have an agent. But it seems like you go out and you download these and it's already everything's built in. Or is that what it just did? Did it add everything when I was setting up, like the database and whatever? I just don't think it's very clear. Um, I think there's a lot of work just researching this stuff, trying to get it figured out. Because I'm still fuzzy on a lot of this. I mean, to the point where it's like, what did I just do? You know? So, see, now it's in assistant, um, screen capture, cross app, keystroke, use your local mouse, control slash anytime. So control slash is our hotkey to open the assistant. Open the assistant. There we go. So I wonder if I can give it a folder and have it like do a code review or something. Because I don't think regular like Chat GPT and stuff can do that. Um, help you with in Firefox. String.files, HTML reference over prior. So let's see if I can do that. Let's take that old, or actually let's do this here. Let's take my roguelike game and get a critique on it. Where would it be? Here. Where is it work? Oh, where are you? There we go. I'm sitting here trying to think of 100 things at the same time here. Okay, so let's take this. I wonder if I could just give it the whole folder. Because since it's broken up into classes, let's go ahead and take all these files that, where's it at? The entity, log of war, world, oh, we need game. Where's world? Right there. So if I take all these, throw them in here like that, what can I help you with there? So it's got all those. Let's export to chat as a screenshot. So let's do, please code review. Oh, you know what? Let's tell it, let's be specific. So these files, an application, files. Whoa. Prove. I don't want to say performance. Maintainability. Recommendations on how to improve code quality. That may be too generic. system. Wow. It requires 8 gigs. Oh my gosh. All right, well, I guess we're at a roadblock on that one. So, I guess that's the end of this video. Wow. All right. Well, if you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. I guess I'll try to get more memory or get a different computer. Like I said, this is a cheap laptop. So, all right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me on this. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to try to solve this memory problem, and we will continue with this. See you on the next one.